The market is expected to open with a slightly positive bias, driven by optimism in select sectors. As the session progresses, early gains may encounter some resistance, creating a mixed sentiment throughout the day. Midday volatility is likely as various sectors react to broader market cues. By the end of the session, the tone is expected to remain neutral to slightly positive, with mid-session movements being a key factor. 9:15 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. The market is likely to experience an early surge in buying interest, especially within the banking and energy sectors. This initial optimism may lead to some brief gains across key indices, providing a positive start to the day. 10:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. As the initial enthusiasm subsides, we may see a period of consolidation. Volatility could pick up, with sideways movement expected in IT and FMCG stocks. 12 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. The momentum may resume during this period, led by pharma and FMCG sectors, as defensive stocks contribute to market stability. Moderate gains could emerge during this phase. 1:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Selling pressure may increase as profit-taking sets in, particularly within metals and auto sectors. The banking and financial sectors may also face some downward movement as the market adjusts. 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. A potential late session recovery is expected, with energy and IT stocks helping to support overall sentiment. End-of-day buying in defensive stocks could lend some stability to the indices. 10:30 a.m. This time marks the first potential reversal point, which may impact banking and financial stocks. 1 p.m. Another reversal point is possible here, favoring FMCG and pharma sectors. 2:30 p.m. A final reversal point is likely, where energy and IT sectors may see gains, contributing to a late session recovery. Banking and financial sector. Early strength is expected, but this sector may face resistance mid-session. It's likely to close with a neutral performance. IT sector. Stability is anticipated throughout the session, with modest gains possible in the afternoon. Energy sector. Early volatility is expected, with a positive bias in the latter part of the session. A strong recovery is likely as the day closes. Pharma sector. A positive bias is likely, especially in the midday session. The sector's defensive nature could attract interest amid market volatility. Metals and mining. This sector is vulnerable to profit-taking and may experience some downside in the second half. FMCG sector. The FMCG sector is expected to remain resilient and stable, especially during mid-session trading. Auto sector. Volatility is likely, with a slight downward bias due to anticipated profit-taking in the afternoon. The market may open on a positive note, with early gains across major sectors. However, as the session progresses, consolidation and intermittent profit-taking could introduce mixed sentiment. A late-day recovery is expected, led by energy and IT stocks. The banking and financial sectors may show early strength but encounter resistance mid-session, while defensive sectors like FMCG and pharma help provide stability. The session is expected to conclude on a neutral to slightly positive note, with notable volatility around midday transitions.